Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So you guys, here's our grocery haul for this week. We have quite a few fruit things, not a ton of stuff. For the price, we shopped at Aldi this week and man, whew, someone said Aldi's not the cheapest place anymore. Very, very correct, very true. I picked up 3 mangoes. They were 99 cents each, so I picked up 3. Spaghetti squash and butternut squash, both of those were 95 cents per pound. Picked up some dish soap, $1.69 each. 10 pounds of russet potatoes was $6.59. I picked up 2 chili powders because we are out 97 cents. Lemons were $3.99. We picked up some ginger. This was $1.99. This is for a recipe. Picked up 3 things of raisins. They were $1.19. They used to be 99 cents. 3 pounds of gallon apples they were $1.99. We picked up pure cane sugar. We don't use sugar at our house, but Jackson and I are going to make a recipe. $2.54, $2.51, something like that. Pineapple, $2.19. Picked up 4 broths, 2 beef, 2 chicken. They were $1.29 each. 2 almond milks. 1 is vanilla and 1 is unsweetened. I don't remember the price. Sister picked those up. Grapes were 95 cents a pound. And then I picked up some of these cherub tomatoes. 2 of those, $2.19 each. And then we picked up some of these peaches. Now, Jackson and I are going to be making a peach pepper jam. We're not going to can it. We're just going to give it away to friends, and hopefully they will consume it early. So we're not going to can it, but we are going to make the peach pepper jam. And so peaches were $1.99 per pound. I got the best that I could get out of those. And then the last thing I picked up was this 4.6 quart cast iron French oven. This was $29.99. Now they did have in the ad a Dutch oven. It was 2.5 quart for $18.99, but they didn't have any. And I thought, I'd really much rather have a larger one for different things. Now, Jackson made some bread. He made Becky's bread, that easy bread that Becky showed over at Acre Homestead. And he did it in our glass bowl, which was fine. But I'd really like to do roast and stuff in here. That is really heavy. Man, that's heavy. And so that's a 4.6. And I'm just thinking if the other one was a 2.5, is much smaller than this. So this is a 4.6 quart. This is actually small to me. So I'll take this one. This is a 4.6 cast iron French oven. So there that is. We got that for some holiday cooking, for some winter cooking, just for some things. It makes me feel like Southern country home. I got it in this color because my kitchen is like turquoise red, and the only other color they had was white. I preferred this one over that one. So I spent $92, and I ended up having to use child support money for that because I had some unexpected giving opportunities that I needed to do this week, and I just used my grocery money to do it. And so I was pleasantly surprised when I looked today and saw that there was child support. I was like, oh, praise God. So I just used it for that. And they're all going to work out all right. So we're getting ready to get the kitchen cleaned up just a tiny bit, put stuff away, and get some cooking done. We're having fish. We're going to put some potatoes in the Instant Pot for mashed potatoes, and I think we're going to do some greens. So those are the 3 things we're doing for dinner, and we're getting ready to... Jackson and I are going to determine whether we work on this jam tonight or we work on it Saturday. The other thing is we have a big basket of produce here, and we have to process this produce or it's going to go bad, and we can't afford to lose produce. So that's kind of why we were going to do the jam, because we've got some pretty big jalapenos that we want to use. And I do think that these little tiny ones are baby bell peppers. Jackson said they look like bell peppers and they're turning colors now. So I do think those are tiny bells. So they're just ripening off of the vine, and we still have a ton of them outside. But we do have jalapenos in there, and some of them, like I said, are turning. So we've got to we got to go ahead and process these. So we're going to decide what we're going to do tonight and get some things done. I know tomorrow I have a few hours before I have to go to band. So we are going to see what we're able to get done here in the next little bit. And we're going to bring you guys along with us. So I had 2 plantains that I needed to use. So I sliced them on the mandolin slicer, put them on a flat cookie sheet. And we're going to cook this at 400 degrees for 10 minutes to see if we can make plantain chips. I put salt, salt, chili seasoning, and curry powder. It smells really good, but I don't know how it's going to come out, but we're giving it a whirl. Sister is she's washing potatoes to put in the Instant Pot so we can have mashed potatoes to go with our fish. Sorry, y'all. I just wanted to pop in here. It's the next day to tell y'all that life just got away with us, and I did not have enough time to finish filming what we were doing in the kitchen. But Sister cooked some fish, and we made some mashed potatoes. I don't know what I got busy doing. Helping Jackson with homework. It was a math night, and he had homework, and we were just working on homework, and that's what took up my time. So I was not able to get back into the kitchen. Sister just took over for me. So, anywho, I do want to thank you all so much for stopping by, for always being supportive of our videos. We do have more cooking videos coming out for you. We love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.